Guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking... No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh? Alright, here it comes. Pardon? Okay, press the button. That guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this? Stands this. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay. Psst, hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.